एषां न विद्या न तपो न दानं ज्ञानं न शीलं न गुणो न धर्मः ते मृत्यु लोके भुवि भारभूताः मनुष्य रूपेण मृगाः शरन्ति. Well, are your dyes or colors ditching you? Go grey. And it is Shani's blessing. It is Shani which is talking to you, and Ketu which is making you let go of the color. So this is a crown of wisdom, ladies. Wear it. And let's talk about premature graying. जो आपकी teens में होता है या 20s में होता है, it's premature. Premature is of course due to genetics, environmental factor, and let's decode this and see this through the lens of astrology. Now, astrology में gray hair जब बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है, it would be a manifestation of पितृदोष. ना पितृदोष क्या है? If you go to a doctor, he'll say it's in your genes, it's your genetics. तभी बहुत जल्दी बाल सफेद हो गए. What are genes? You get through your parents, grandparents, great grandparents, and so on. तो हमारे एक पितृ हुए ना, वो ancestors हुए, right? So their genes they manifest, keep manifesting and keep passing it on. So it is पितृ दोष या पितरों की blessing. By the time you're 30s, 40s, 50s, you'll know how your ancestors manifest in your current life, and are they happy or are they blessed you? Whatever, you'll know that. So gray hair uska one of the symptoms hai. Of course, blessings or curses would be manifested through environmental factors. There would be a certain environment which would be made to manifest whatever good or bad. Situationships honga, situations banegi. So hard water or your iron, copper, B12 would not be up to the mark. Visit a dermatologist, get your autoimmune disorder in check, autoimmune blood report in check. Just see और कोई issue तो नहीं है, thyroid issue तो नहीं है, that also ages you faster. और अगर शनि आपके लग्न में बैठे होंगे, that will age you faster. It's like ओल्ड हेड ऑन यंग शोल्डर्स. तो चांसेस आर कि आप अपने फैमिली में सबसे बड़े होंगे, सबसे बड़े बेटा या बेटी होंगे. एंड yes, you will take responsibilities early in life and you would be like that mature, boy or a girl in the family. And ladies, let's talk about your gray hair. I also used to color. It's been a year since I stopped coloring, and this is how it looks. And it's like every strand has a story to tell, and every strand talks to me. And when you ditch your color, या ये कब होता है? ये आपकी शनि या केतु की महादशा या अंतर्दशा में होता है, या 7.5 चल रही हो तो भी होता है. ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ इट इज प्लेस, बट यूजुअली इसमें होता है बिकॉज केतु इज डिटैचमेंट. इट लेट्स यू गो ग्रे, लेट्स यू लीव ऑल द कंफर्ट एंड वर्ल्डली प्लेजर्स, इंट्रोड्यूसेस यू टू समथिंग एल्स विच इज नॉट माया. तो ये है. एंड यस, gray hair transformation for women in perimenopause, menopause is very important, and it also reflects your Vata and Pitta imbalance in the body. तो वात और पित्त का काफी रोल होता है. And if you are graying really fast, ditch your sugars, all your white आटा, मैदा,